The fact that such few people understand what creativity is in data science is exactly why it's such an underappreciated skill. So let's get this out of the way. I'm not talking about charts and colors here. I'm not talking about visualization. Don't misunderstand me. Visualization is a very important part of the data science lifecycle, but that's not what I'm talking about when I talk about creativity. Creativity in data science is a lot more nuanced than that. When I'm asking about your creativity in data science, I'm really asking about how you see the world. Are you able to see the world in the same way that a model does? Remember, a model is an inanimate object. It's really just a series of numbers and math formulas. So are you able to take the world around you and translate that into something that your model can use? It's good practice to think about your daily life and turn those things into a model. So if you're walking around your city and you see a set of buildings, how would you model those buildings? How would you model the number of buildings, the doors, the windows, the number of floors? All of those things need to go into a model somehow, so how would you represent that? Or if you're driving your car and you have a target speed, are you somebody that revs up very fast and maybe goes beyond the speed and then slows back down?